Back with me Umi Aram Safitri on breaking news. Today in Raw, Indonesian has his daily COVID-19 cases in the world.
It is feared that corona in Indonesia is still far from abating. The site that provides case data shows that Indonesia has 2 times in a row the highest. On the last 12 June, the addition of new cases in Indonesia was the highest, with more than 40,000 cases. Indonesian death rate was also the highest in the world. The condition is not much different from the data on June 13, with more than 47,000 cases. Indonesia is ahead of Brazil, Spain, and even India. The emergency brakes pulled by the government have not been able to contain the rate of transmission of the coronavirus in the country. In front of the member of the Commission for the Nine Houses of Representatives, the Minister of Health is concerned that the increase in the number of positive 19 cases will occur until the middle or even the end of June. The calculation reflects on experience of India first wave. Budi Gunadisadikin emphasized that the COVID-19 increase was very fast in the 2 weeks after it. The Minister of Health made a recalculation based on data in India, because India was increasing very quickly. So Indonesia must anticipate and until the end of the month must really prepare health facilities. The COVID-19 task force did not remain silent. The application of restrictions on emergency activities, which were claimed to have been able to suppress the rate of movement of residents, would be extended. The task force said the spread of COVID-19 was not under control. The exact mechanism is still being researched. There are various variants in the environment such as alpha, beta, gamma, and delta, which are known as variants that can spread faster, increase the severity of symptoms, and have the opportunity to reduce the effectiveness of the vaccine. The government will continue to implement policies in the fight if conditions are met, not controlled now the extension of the police or. The government and citizens together are really needed to reduce the rate of transmission of the coronavirus in the country. A little careless, the humanitarian tragedy due to corona transmission can be a threat.
That's today breaking news that I can convey. I am Umi Aram Safitri. See you and thank you.